Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to this lesson on the Arabic letter Ta. Today we will learn about the letter Ta. This is the shape of the letter Ta. The letter Ta written starting with this point here, red point. From this point we draw a line upward, then create a oval shaped curve and move downward and to the left. After that we're writing this vertical line here. Okay, the letter Ta. The name of the letter is Ta. Ta. Ta is kind ta. It is not it. It is Ta. It. The name of the letter is Ta, and its sound is pronounced when the tip of the tongue touches the gum area where the upper front teeth grow. This letter pronounced strongly and clearly from the front of the mouth. Characteristics of the letter Ta is that letter Ta heavy and pronounced heavy. It is also I will say a raised musta'li, raised letter, and closed mutbaq letter. When stopping at the letter Ta, you must apply qalqala. And you say at. You should say it clearly when you say the letter Ta. So it's pronounced from this point here in the mouth. The common pronunciation mistakes that many non-native speakers pronounce Ta incorrectly by reducing it from the back of the mouth, or they are saying actually ta, it. They are making Ta not raised or heavy, but they are making it like it. I don't know. I search a Beispiel, an example. When I find an example, it's like طيور. They are not saying طيور, but they are saying tuyur, and this is wrong. You are saying another letter. You are not saying Ta, but you are saying ta, and this is wrong. Okay, now we will learning the positions and how we write the letter Ta in many positions or forms. The letter Ta in the beginning of a word like tuyur, it's like this here. Ta in the beginning of a word have one hand. مطرقة in the middle of a word and have Ta here in the middle, and Ta here have two hands from right and from left. Now the letter Ta in the end of a word connected like but Ta here is connected, and خلاط have the letter Ta at the end of a word. Now you see that we are learning the letters until letter Ta. We learn the letter Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Zay, Sin, Shin, صاد ضاد طاء طاء طاء. Now we will going to the exercises. Here I will try to find the letter ta and make it in the crease, in the circle, This is the letter ta in the beginning of the word of a word. This is the letter ta in the middle of a word. In the middle of a word. Here ta in the beginning of a word. Ta in the beginning of a word. And here this is ta too. This is in the middle or in the end of a word. This is in the beginning. And here it's in the beginning of a word, and now the beginning is the ta here in the middle. We have another letters. This is sin, sheen, sin, sheen, dad, zay, sheen, dad, sin, dad, zay. Very good. Finally, we will practice writing the letter ta. The letter ta in the beginning, at the beginning of a word, we starting from here, like this, and after that like this, and we are writing the vertical line. Please, we should writing together. Try to write with me, please. From here, from the line, upwards and downwards and left, and after that we're writing this here. Remember all the time that ta it's raised and heavy, and not like ta it. Now in the middle of a word we starting from right here, and after that to the left, and after that we're writing the oval word, and after that the line, right, left, until this point here, and after that we're writing the normal ta, like this. The way of the writing, it's very important, from right to left until this point, and after that from here we are making the oval shape upwards and downwards, and after that to the left, and after that we're writing this line here. In the end of the word connected, it's the same way. In the end of the word, it's like at the beginning of a word, from this point upward, and after that downward, and after that to the left. Try to write with me, please. Yes, so this is the letter ta. I think I said everything about the letter ta.